You want to be a millionaire by 2025? You think it's a pipe dream? Let me tell you something, it's not. But you need a damn good game plan. And guess what? I'm about to give you one. 7 essential business tips, straight from the playbook of entrepreneurs who built empires. This isn't theory, this is the real deal. So buckle up because we're diving in head first. Join me on this journey because I'm on it too. We're gonna hustle together, build businesses together, and become millionaires together. Yeah, you heard that right. I'm putting in the work alongside you, using these 7 tips to turn my dreams into a 7-figure reality. Look, becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about strategy, hustle, and giving a damn about your customers. It's about spotting opportunities, adapting to the market, and always providing value. So let's break down these 7 tips, the actionable steps you can start taking today to build that million-dollar business. You ready? Let's go. First things first, you can't build a million-dollar business without a product or service people actually want. You need to find a problem, a pain point, a gap in the market, and then create the solution. Look at Sarah Blakely, the woman behind Spanx. She saw women struggling with panty lines and uncomfortable shapewear, so what did she do? She created a solution and bam, a billion-dollar brand was born. Don't overthink this. What frustrates you? What do people in your life complain about? What are the everyday problems that need solving? That's where you find your million-dollar idea. Think about it. What if you could create an app that simplifies meal planning for busy families, or a service that helps seniors navigate the digital world? The possibilities are endless. Remember, people are willing to pay for solutions. Find a problem worth solving, and you've already taken the first step towards building a million-dollar business. So, what problem are you going to solve? Find that answer, and you're already on your way. You need a business plan, I don't care what anyone says. But here's the catch. It can't be a rigid, dusty document that sits on a shelf. The market changes, technology evolves, and you need to be ready to adapt. Look at Netflix. They started mailing DVDs for crying out loud. But they were smart. They saw the shift towards streaming and pivoted, becoming the billion-dollar giant they are today. Your business plan is a roadmap, not a straitjacket. It should outline your goals, your target market, your marketing strategy, but it also needs to be flexible enough to evolve. Don't be afraid to adjust your sales based on customer feedback, market trends, and new opportunities. The ability to adapt is what separates the businesses that thrive from the businesses that go extinct. So write that business plan, but keep it fluid, keep it dynamic. Be ready to pivot, be ready to adjust, and always be ready to evolve. Listen up, because this is crucial. If your business isn't online, it's invisible. You need a website, you need social media, and you need to be creating content that establishes you as the go-to expert in your niche. Look at Gary Vaynerchuk. He took his family's wine business, brought it online, started creating content, engaging with his audience, and boom, he built a personal brand and a business empire. People don't just buy products or services anymore, they buy into brands, they buy into stories, they buy from people they trust. And how do you build that trust? By providing value, by being present, by showing up consistently online. Create videos, write blog posts, engage on social media, build an email list, become a valuable resource for your target audience, and they'll reward you with their loyalty and their business. So, get your website up, build your social media presence, and start creating content that matters. The online world is your oyster. Go out there and claim your digital empire. Here's the secret sauce, the magic ingredient, the key to unlocking those million-dollar doors customer value. You obsess over your customers, you provide them with an incredible experience, and they'll become your biggest fans, your walking, talking marketing machines. Look at Apple. They don't just sell phones, they sell an experience. They've built a brand that people are obsessed with, a brand that people will camp out overnight for. How do you create that kind of loyalty? By going above and beyond, by over-delivering on your promises, by providing exceptional customer service, by making your customers feel heard, valued, and appreciated. Answer their questions, respond to their emails, go the extra mile. Remember, a happy customer is more likely to tell their friends about you than an unhappy one. So, make customer satisfaction your #1 priority. Build relationships, create raving fans, and watch your business soar. Chapter 5, Innovate or Die Staying Ahead of the Game. The business world is a fast-paced, constantly evolving landscape. If you're not innovating, if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Look at Tesla. Elon Musk didn't just build electric cars, he built the coolest, most innovative cars on the market. He disrupted an entire industry by constantly pushing the boundaries, by refusing to settle for the status quo. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, to challenge the conventional way of doing things. What can you improve about your product or service? How can you enhance your customer experience? What new technologies can you leverage? Innovation doesn't have to be about reinventing the wheel. Sometimes it's about making small, incremental improvements that add up to a big impact. So, stay curious, stay hungry, and always be on the lookout for ways to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. Chapter 6. Stack your income streams. Building a financial fortress. Want to build real wealth, the kind that provides security and freedom? Then you need to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Look at Kylie Jenner. She didn't just build $1 billion makeup brand, she leveraged her platform to create multiple streams of income brand deals, social media monetization, you name it. Think about it. What other products or services could you offer? Could you create an online course, write an ebook, or launch a coaching program? Could you invest in real estate, stocks, or other ventures? The more income streams you have, the more resilient your finances will be. It's about creating a safety net, a financial fortress that can withstand any storm. So explore your options, identify new opportunities, and start building multiple streams of income. Remember, diversification is key to building lasting wealth. Chapter 7. Track, measure, optimize the Millionaire's Scorecard. You can't just set goals and hope for the best. You need to track your progress, measure your results, and be willing to adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not. Think of Jeff Bezos. Amazon wasn't built overnight. It was built through constant analysis, optimization, and a relentless focus on data. Set clear, measurable goals for your business. Track your website traffic, your conversion rates, your customer acquisition costs. Use analytics tools to understand what's resonating with your audience and what's falling flat. Don't be afraid to make changes based on the data. Sometimes a small tweak to your website copy or your marketing message can make a huge difference. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. So, track your progress, analyze your results, and be willing to pivot when necessary. It's the only way to ensure you're on the path to millionaire status. Your $1 million journey starts now. There you have it, the 7 essential tips to become a millionaire by 2025. But here's the thing. Knowledge without action is useless. You need to take these tips, these strategies, and put them into practice. So tell me, which tip are you going to implement first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're serious about building wealth, about joining me on this journey to the top, then hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing business advice. Let's make 2025 our year, the year we turn our dreams into $1 million realities. I'll see you in the next video.